baby. We're still catching slab. Oh my God. Right out with Crappie Town, USA, baby. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Crappie Town, USA. Listen, real quick, I'm just gonna narrate it. We caught some crappies in a tornado watch and warning. I would not advise you to try this at home. It was not exactly a plan, but we did go out while it was raining. It was thunderstorming, and basically a storm came up on us. I'm gonna put a couple clips in there from different times where we have caught crappie and different fish in tornado watch weather and thunderstorm type weather. Check it out, y'all. Resilience. All right, y'all. You can do it, but I'm not telling you to do it. You understand?
No, it don't matter to us. We on these crappies. Rain, sleet, summer, snow, fall. We try to get them all.
I'm in the bushes. I don't know what she doing. I'm in the bushes, y'all. I'm waiting this thing out. T, you gotta come out the rain.
Be careful.
Big old bluegill. Oh, girl. Look at that, y'all. In this. You bad mama jamma, girl.
We don't stop. Ain't nothing but a little water. Ain't nothing but a little water. We still a little bluegill. Ain't nothing but a little water. That's a big one, fat one. Well, hello, American people. I'm a thunderstorm bluegill. Woo-hoo!
Back in the bushes. So we're gonna get out of here and get out of these wet clothes, get warm, and look for another spot. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Crappie Town, USA.
Y'all know nothing about that old man Ben, y'all. Look at that old man Ben. Trying to get in that tree. See that? He gonna go on here and try it in this thunderstorm. See what he can get. Y'all know T, me and HJ in the car. Let's see.
All right, y'all, in the thunderstorm. In the thunderstorm. I told you we gonna try it. I hear thunder. We're gonna get out of here though. One little one, but this.
I can't open mine.
I'm gonna try to get another one and see. But we're gonna have to get out of here. If it starts lightning, we out of here. But that's what we're doing.
Minnows are very easy to detect, especially in this choppy water like this. Now I'm casting it way out, only because the wind is blowing this way. It's nice black crappie in the wind. All right. Sun trying to come out. There you go. I'm using bass minnows because the wind is choppy. They're more visible. They are more vibrative. They not so much as more active, but they will carry a lot of weight against the wind. If you got small minnows, crappie minnows, a lot of times they're more active, but their activeness is not effective in this type of wind, to me. Okay, so I want something more bigger to carry more weight. It's called Crappie Town, USA. Having a little fun, y'all. Have a little fun with me sometime.
Y'all see that bend? Y'all see that bend?
Oh, you kidding me?
Okay.
You kidding me?
Catch is a catch.
Big old bluegill.
A big old bluegill.
Y'all don't see that stance. That's a good one. You caught one? Yep.
We back at it. I don't know what you want to call these sunshine crappies, but we in here.
Off the rocks.
Off the rocks. 2 feet deep off a minnow. All right.
All right, y'all. I'm fixing poles for another trip while we on this one.
There you go. Your baby, but we in here. Got a minnow. All right. Your baby, but we in here. Don't get mad because I got the action.
That's a good size.
You fall off. Get your butt on over here. Woo. Yeah, baby. We out here. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Crappie Town, USA.
Don't worry, I'm right here.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that hurt right there. All right.
He don't like the phone over here. Oh, dang, she's catching good ones.
We out here. We catching them for y'all. Crappie's on the rocks. All right.
Dang, she's catching nothing but slabs.
No, so I went back out in the open. I'm gonna call this my little hot pink twirl. Cause it's on the
I got you right here. Dang. Oh, you like a nice size.
Tornado watch, baby. We still catching slab. Slab. Off the rocks and a tornado watch, man. I'm telling you, ain't nothing like it. Right out y'all. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Town, USA, baby. All right, all right. Right. We need everything. We're gonna put a few things away. We're just gonna put a few things